Blessings and blessings from the beautiful Austin, Texas. I'm gonna name this this series the Backyard Boogie because I get these downloads in my backyard and decide to share. So this transmission is about abundance and reminding each and every one of you that it's not about the tricks and the things that you do per se. It's about the energy and the come from. It is about where you are located. Real estate, location. Where are you coming from? What is the intent behind what you're doing? If you're posting on social media as a way to deceive so that you can get money, that may work for a little bit. But for the long term? And did it really work if deception was the place it started from? But if you're posting on social media as a gift to humanity, because you've figured this thing out and you want to give that gift back to the planet, well, that's very different. There's a different energy to that. I challenge you today to ask yourself, where am I coming from? Where is my energy? Is this coming from a space of love and connection and harmony and peace? Is this coming from wanting to give, or am I wanting to get? And it's okay if get is in there, because the get, it's cyclical, right? There's a current, and we must be good givers and good receivers. But if the let's say the overwhelming majority is me wanting to take and get and anything of that nature, I almost guarantee you, if it's working, it won't work for long. That's in dating, that's in health, that's in relationship, that's in spirituality, that's in everything, in every aspect. Every relationship that you have, if it is coming from that space, I can almost guarantee you that it's a living hell, even if it's working. Blessings and blessings. Please leave a comment below if this landed in any way. Just a pure reminder. It is not about the tricks and the things that you're doing per se. Yes, success is sequential and simultaneous. And the simultaneous part is when we are tapped into something that is about serving humanity. It's about serving the trees, the dolphins, the roaches, whatever you're into. That level of service has to circulate back. I call it the double boomerang effect. It must come back to you through the form of something else. And of course, it's not why you do it, but it's a part of the game. Blessings and blessings. I'm gonna go get dressed now. Yes, I'm in my robe and socks. You know how we do. Let's get it.